what is number theoretic function? Number theoretic function or arithmetic function. Clear? We see that a function whose domain of definition is the set of natural number n or the set of positive integer is said to be number theoretic function. Clear? That is, if we define a mapping F maps n to R, this is the set of natural number and this is the set of real number, or F maps Z plus to R. Clear? Z plus and n both are the same natural number or set of positive integer. This function is said to be number theoretic function because the domain of definition is n or domain of definition is the set of positive integer. Clear? This is the definition of number theoretic function. Now it is clear that the range of this function is real number. Okay, so we say that the range of this function may or may not be the natural number. Right? Now here we give two important examples of number theoretic function. The first is tau of n. This is the symbol tau of n, and this is the symbol tau of n, and this is the number of positive divisor of n belongs to capital N. Clear? Where n belongs to capital N, then tau of n is the number of positive divisor. Like if we take n, this is equal to 6, then we know that the positive divisor d of n, d divide n, then d is equal to 1, d is equal to 2, equal to 3 and equal to 6. Hence tau of n, clearly the number of positive divisor is 1, 2, 3, 4, so this value is 4. And the second number theoretic function is sigma of n. The symbol is sigma of n, and this is the sum of all positive divisor of n. Now if we write here, this is not n, this is 6. If we write here sigma of 6, and this is given by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and this is 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? This is the tau of n and this is sigma of n. And we define sigma of n and tau of n as a definition or as a symbol by tau of n. This is equal to sum of 1. Sum of 1. What number of 1? Number of 1 is d divide n. For each positive divisor d of n, there will be 1. Okay. Now this is 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1. The number of 1 is the number of positive divisor. So we define here tau of n is equal to summation 1 d divide n. And if we define sigma of n, this is equal to summation d, where d divide n, because if we take n equal to 6, then at first d equal to 1 because 1 divide 6, d equal to 2 because 2 divide 6, d equal to 3 because 3 divide 6 and 6 divide 6. So we get the sigma of n like this. Okay, these two are important number theoretic function or arithmetic function, and these are definition, and this is the definition of number theoretic function. Okay, this is today's class. Thank you for watching.